Of my baking with less experiment. I put all the ingredients in my bowl, and I haven't taken anything out, and I will start mixing. My baking with less experiment. I've added all the ingredients to my bowl except eggs, and now I will start stirring it up. Of my baking with less experiment, I have all the ingredients except oil, and now I will start mixing. That's for my baking with less project. And as you see, we have the 3 cupcakes with all ingredients added, no eggs, and no oil. We will bake these for 15 minutes in the oven. Baking with less, and the cupcakes have now been baked. With all ingredients, it feels like it's nice, moist, spongy. The no eggs looks like it's been mushy and looks like it didn't bake all the way. Oh yeah. And the no oil feels very dry.